Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. In today's video, I'm going to discuss right from dictation because right from dictation is the most important and the crucial part of PTE. So in today's video, just keep your pen and paper ready along with this video because we are going to do right from dictation with the different accents and at the different speed. Because if you are just doing practice from one website, then sometime you got confused in the final PT exam, because sometime you will get the different accent and then you will think ki what was the speaker was speaking. So this is the video for all of you, so just keep your pen and paper ready along with this video because we are going to do some example with the important tips and tricks. Means I'm also going to share ki how you can improve your score in right from dictation of the PTE. So let's start. Just listen the audio.
An ancient text may hold secrets which were lost centuries ago.
So it is an ancient text may held secrets. So it's a secrets which were lost centuries ago. So this was the sentence. An ancient text may held secrets which were lost centuries ago. So try to understand the meaning of the sentence. So I am just sure कि this is the sentence, but if you are confused कि it is a secret or secrets and you want to add something, then you can write down in the end, but always try to mention only 3 to 4 words. So let's check the answer. So this was the answer. An ancient text may hold secrets which were lost centuries ago. Next question.
There is a strict eligibility criterion to undertake background speaker studies.
So the sentence is, there is a strict, so check your spellings of strict, eligibility. So next is eligibility criterion to undertake background speaker, to undertake background, so you will write background collectively, speaker studies. There is a strict, check your spellings of strict, eligibility criterion, check your spellings of criterion, to undertake. Next, background speaker studies. So let's check the answer also. So this is the answer. There is a strict eligibility criterion to undertake background speaker studies. So it means ki if it is about background, so with background is a word ki we always use the plural form of verb here. Next.
Remember, the prestigious selection has strict eligibility criteria.
So it's somewhat similar to the previous one. Remember, the prestigious. So check your spellings of prestigious. Prestigious. So it's a mistake. Selection has strict eligibility criteria. So remember, the prestigious selection has strict eligibility criteria. So this was the sentence. So check your sentence, check your spellings. Proofreading is very important in this task. Remember, the prestigious selection has strict eligibility criteria. Check your spellings of prestigious, then eligibility, then criteria. So you don't need to mark comma here because there is no marks for the grammar, only just marks is contributing in spellings. Next question.
Remember, the prestige shifts have strict eligibility criteria.
So again, this is sentence is somewhat similar to the another sentence. Remember, the prestige shifts have strict eligibility criteria. Remember, the prestige shifts have strict. Let's check the spellings of eligibility. eligibility, eligibility. Let's submit it. So remember, the prestige shifts, so it's shifts have strict eligibility criteria. Next.
Remember, this phenomenon has strict eligibility criteria.
Again, this is somewhat similar to next previous one. Remember, this phenomenon has strict eligibility criteria. Remember, this phenomenon has strict eligibility criteria. So let's check the answer. So this is the answer. Remember, this phenomenon has strict eligibility criteria. Next question.
Remember, all students have strict ability criteria.
So this is different. Remember, all students have strict ability criteria. So let's check the answer. Remember, all students have strict ability criteria. So it is have, and after have we have strict ability, then criteria. Next question.
Remember, the gifts purchased by children should have a striped character.
So this is little bit difficult, so I'm not sure about this. So I think it is remember, the gifts purchased by children should have a stripped character. So let's check it. Remember, the gifts purchased by children should have a stripped character. Next question, check your spellings of stripped. So here it is should have. It means it should be happen. So that's why we are writing here third form of verb. Next question.
Please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Wednesday.
So this is please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Wednesday. So please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Wednesday. So if you are confused कि it should be capital or not, then we are writing here both. So with to we always use first form of verb and it's a spelling of Wednesday. Check your spellings of highlighter. You will not write high and lighter differently. You have to write collectively. So let's submit it. So please remember to bring a highlighter to class next Wednesday. So if you will get the name of a day or name of a month and name of a country and name of a person, then you always start your letter with the capital word. So remember this line.
The toughest part of public transport is funding.
So it is the toughest part of public transport is funding. The toughest part of public transport is funding. So let's check these spellings also. The toughest part of public transport is funding.
The toughest part of research for postgraduate students is funding.
So this is somewhat similar to the previous one. The toughest part of research for postgraduate students is funding. Let's submit it. The toughest part of research for postgraduate, so write postgraduate like this. Then if it is postgraduate, then after that we will use plural because it is not about one stream, it's about research and postgraduate, and it is funding.
The toughest problem of research for postgraduate students is funding.
Next is the toughest problem of research for postgraduates students is funding. The toughest problem of research for postgraduate, so it's postgraduate. So I am writing students, so you can't write here postgraduates, is funding. So the toughest problem of research for postgraduate students is funding. Next question.
The sophisticated part of the research is funding.
So next is the sophisticated part of the research is funding. The sophisticated part of the research is funding. So here is the answer. Check the spellings of sophisticated.
Today's lecture material will be included in the next day's assessment.
So it is today's. So it's about today. So we will write like this: today's lecture material will be included in the next day's assignment. Next day assignment or assessment. So I am writing here both. Today's lecture material will be included in the next day's assignment or assessment. So if you are confused, then you can write the extra word in the end. So this is the answer. Today's lecture material will be included in the next day's assessment.
Could you please prepare a medical certificate for me to submit to my manager?
So it's a question. So it's a could you please prepare a medical certificate for me to submit to my manager. So could you please prepare a medical certificate for me to submit to my manager? Could you please prepare a medical certificate for me to submit to my manager? Next. So this is the last one. These are the questions just for practice.
You should include these two pictures from the lecture in your assignment.
So it is, you should include these two pictures from the lecture in your assignment. So this is from my side. So if you have any queries, any doubts, then you can write in the comment box. So this is the video only just for practice and for the spelling checking, because we have lot of spellings in right from dictation. So what is the way to improve right from dictation? Just focus on your spellings and try to understand the meaning of the line. And if you are confused about the words, then you can write the extra words in the end, but always mention 3 to 4 extra words in the end of the line. So just forward these videos to your friends, and thank you so much for watching my videos.